Yo, it's your boy, Skinny Penis. I think I finally got my lab results today from that thing that's been itching downstairs, if you know what I mean. I'm not sexually active at all. Nah. Oh, fuck, yes. This is better than sex cake. This right here. This right here. It's better than testing negative for any fucking critter fucking shit on you to stick, if you know what I mean. It's the Alarm Red Media exclusive print for being a Patreon supporter for more than 3 months. I'm here. A bunch of other cool people here. How the fuck aren't you here? What are you? Lame?